Welcome everyone. Today we are going to start a new course, new programming course, and this is on Java programming. Okay, Java is one of the most popular programming languages in the tech world. Java created in 1995 and it is owned by Oracle. More than 3 billion devices run Java, and Java is used for web application development, desktop application development, even mobile application development, especially Android apps, web servers and application servers development, game development, database connection, and much more. Okay, Java works on different platforms like Windows operating system, Linux operating system, Mac operating system, and many more. Okay, without further ado, let's start. First, let us create a Java project. I open Eclipse IDE. To open Eclipse IDE, I hope you know how to open it. Just click double on Eclipse icon, okay, and it might take couple of seconds, maybe 5 to 10 seconds, sometimes 15 to 20 seconds depending on the speed of your computer. Okay, so look very carefully how I create our project on Eclipse, a Java project. Click on File, go to File, click on it, then go to Java project. Okay, then I'm going to name it Java Tech Skills Development. Okay, and just click on Next or Finish button. Okay, then click on Finish. It's asking whether I want to create module info.java. I will say don't create. Alright, Java Tech Skills Development project has been created. JRE system library is by default there, and another folder we can see, and it is called SRC. SRC meaning source folder, and it is an empty folder. Inside SRC folder, I create Java package. Package is nothing but empty folder. Okay, and I name it Java, and it should be in small cap, Java Basic. Okay, Java Basic is there, and inside the package we create different classes. There can be n number classes, and in any programming, class is nothing but a blueprint to create object, and there is no exception to Java programming too. Alright, so name of the class is, say for example, human, and the human class will be created whenever I create on this Finish button. Okay, before creating class, I will check in public static void main parenthesis string, then square braces args. It will create main method for Java, which is an entry point to Java programming, and executes our program, executes our Java program. It will run our Java program, okay, whatever we develop. Click on Finish button, and we can see human class has been created. Here is opening curly braces, okay, opening curly braces and closing curly braces. Here the class scope starts and the class scope ends here. All right, so every class has its own scope. It starts with opening curly braces and ends with closing curly braces. And inside the class we have main method, and the main method has also opening curly braces where its scope starts and closing curly braces where the scope of the main method ends. All right, now in Java programming, this two slashes, meaning single line comments, and slash star then star slash is multi-line comments. Comments we use in any programming to leave notes, okay, explanation for other developers, fellow engineers, so that fellow developers or fellow software engineers can understand what I wrote in this code. And another reason we use comments to tell the Java program that I don't want to execute or run this codes or programs. Okay, so class is just a blueprint from where we can create an object or objects. Okay, and since object is created from a class, object is an instance of the class. Okay, and public keyword, we can see some keywords here. Public is a keyword, we call it access modifiers. Public means anyone can use whatever inside the class, anyone can have the access. And class is keyword to create class, and after the class keyword we create the class and we name it human. Inside the human class we have just one main method. Okay, and inside the main method we can start writing our codes. Okay, in Eclipse IDE this person is called Project Explorer or Package Explorer, where our projects, files and folders are efficiently managed, maintained. And this is called Canvas, where we program our Java code, where we write our Java coding. All right, and below the canvas we have console window where we can see the output of our Java program. Okay, inside the canvas we write our codes, we program our programming languages, and we give inputs, and when we execute that program we can see the output. All right. Okay, say for example I just type a system is a class, then just use dot operator. In any programming language, the full stop is called dot operator. All right, when I use dot operator, I can see built-in methods and functions and attributes. Okay, so system, I use outs meaning output. I'm telling system to give an output so that we can print it and see it. And print ln is an inbuilt method that will print whatever we input inside. We are learning Java. Okay, or we can say hello world, we are learning Java. Now how we can execute this line of code in Java we have written. Just right button click anywhere inside the canvas, just right button click on run as Java application, then click on OK, and we can see the output, hello world, we are learning Java. This is our first program in Java that we just learned. Okay, that's all for today. In this very first session, we learn how to create Java project. Then inside the project, we have Java runtime environment system library. By default, it has come when we created this project, and this Java jar files are software technology jar files or library that executes our Java program. And inside the project, another src folder by default comes with the project, and inside the src folder we create another folder or Java package, and we name it Java Basic. And inside the Java Basic package we create our Java class. Okay, human, the name of the file will be the name of the class, so always we have to write in capital cap. All right, as I mentioned before, public is access modifier. In Java we have 4 access modifiers. One is public, another one is default, and third one is protected, and last one is private. Okay, public meaning anyone can access all the properties and methods inside the class, whatever we have. Okay, class is a keyword in Java that is necessary to create a class, and class in Java is nothing but a blueprint from where we can create an object. Okay, and this main is main method. Okay, and inside the main method we can start coding or writing our Java program. Okay, and any class in Java starts with curly braces, opening curly braces and closing curly braces. Okay, and inside the class we have properties, methods, main methods. Okay, still we don't have any properties or methods, but we have main method. Main method is called the entry point of Java because it helps us to execute our Java program, whatever we code. Okay, and system.out.println, with this statement we can print the output whatever we input inside. If we want to write another statement, we can say CISO in brief, then control spacebar, press on control spacebar. Okay, and inside the parenthesis we can write anything we want. Even we can do some math. Okay, math 100 plus 20, and it will print the output whatever the result comes. Okay, 120. all right, thus if you want to print more, you can also copy the statements system.out.println shortcut. Just press on Ctrl Alt, then press on down arrow, and we can copy it as many as we want. Okay, I can say Java is easy, it is fun and interesting. It is fun and interesting. All right, so this is our first program in Java, and in the next session we are going to learn more about Java programming. I'm going to discuss about variables in the next session. Thank you so much.